Hello guys and welcome back. With spring slowly approaching, I figured I would do a fun little fashion video for you guys. With the warmer temperatures kind of peeking in, I thought I would show you guys a few different ways you can style and wear maxi dresses. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, there you have it. Between accessories and adding more articles of clothing, those are just a few ways you can stylize and wear a maxi dress. The sun is out here in Illinois today, so I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of my day. I hope you guys do the same thing. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel to see what I'm up to next.